Hello and welcome. In the next few minutes, we'll introduce you to TigerBridge, Tiger Technologies' software-only storage and data management solution. Regardless of the size and scale of your organization, TigerBridge is the easiest and least disruptive first step to integrating the cloud into your current storage infrastructure and building hybrid cloud workflows. TigerBridge brings the cloud to you, enabling you to store, protect, and manage your critical data. The TigerBridge technology was built around 4 core pillars designed to solve the main challenges that companies face when migrating to the cloud. Unlike most companies offering cloud migration services that use proprietary formats or access patterns in the cloud, cloud migration with TigerBridge preserves your data in its native format, giving you transparent access to any cloud long-term. Avoid having your data locked in by a certain cloud vendor and ensure that if or when you shift your cloud strategy, you will not go through a costly and complex process caused by vendor lock-in. TigerBridge requires no additional spending when retrieving your data in case you decide to switch cloud providers or migrate back to on-premises. This ensures that, however your data or cloud strategy shifts, you remain flexible with your business continuity plan intact. One of our main goals with TigerBridge was to build it in a way that ensures absolutely no disruption to your existing workflows when migrating to the cloud. TigerBridge integrates into your file system, connecting it seamlessly to any cloud provider. Your team is able to work uninterrupted while policies operate in the background to migrate your data to the cloud. Automating this process with TigerBridge and eliminating the human factor also allows for minimizing the risk of losing any data along the way. Keeping things simple is at the core of TigerBridge. Our software-only technology requires no additional hardware or virtual appliances. You can happily skip planning for days or weeks of training or setup and administration. TigerBridge takes minutes to install and configure, while setting up basic and advanced policies is simple and familiar. TigerBridge is here to help you get the most out of cloud without putting a strain on your teams or any of your workflows. With TigerBridge, you benefit from a range of functionalities like data protection and exceptional disaster recovery, smooth and reliable multi-site collaboration, and multi-site sync and ransomware protection. Let's take a look at a few simple examples. You can first analyze your existing data with our analysis tool. It will show you how much of your data has been or has not been accessed recently to help you make an educated decision about your policies. Then you can decide which parts of your data to go where. Some could go straight to an archive. Others could go to the hot or cool tiers. Further, you can create policies that allow you to decide when your data should move from the hot or cool to the archive tier automatically. This is a great example of how you can optimize your storage costs with TigerBridge. Once everything is up and running, you can take advantage of the additional benefits of TigerBridge. First, you can benefit from the continuous data protection by using versioning. You can restore to the version of the file that you need, or undelete a deleted file or folder. Second, the fact that you can access your files directly from the cloud because there is no vendor lock-in. Open or download the needed files as you see fit. And third, you will have the ability to restore only the parts of your big files that are needed when they are needed with our partial restoration functionality. If you have a big video file, for example, you can play it directly from the cloud without downloading it, this way lowering the latency. Finally, using continuous data protection is optional, and in case you want to keep your existing data protection strategy unchanged. The range of capabilities that TigerBridge offers make it a product equally valued across industries. Are you ready to try it for yourself? Thank you for viewing.